Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I am going to show you a project called carpooling. Carpooling is a concept where a person can share his ride with others and make money to that ride. For example, if a person is going from Hyderabad to Delhi and he wants to share his ride and make some money within this ride, so he can share his vehicle details and ride details in this website. Who wants to join this ride can also search based on source and destination so they can find a traveling partner here. So let's see the flow of this website. In this website, users access different character persons. Users who want to schedule or share the ride can register as provider and login. After login as a provider, providers will have to add their vehicle details. After adding the vehicle details, provider can view his vehicles as well. Provider have to schedule the rides with the vehicles he added earlier. Both users can see their profiles. Seekers means those who wants to join the rides. So seekers have to register as seekers and login. After logging into their accounts, based on source and destination, they can find rides. After finding rides, seekers can view which type of vehicle for the particular ride. Seekers have to choose the drop pickup location if they want to confirm the booking. After selecting the pickup location, seekers have to pay the relevant amount and confirm the booking. The booking will be sent to the particular provider who has scheduled the ride. Provider can accept or reject it. If provider accepts the ride, provider will change the status of the ride as pickup, which means provider has picked up the seeker. After ride completed, provider will change the ride status as completed. Both users, seeker and provider, can see their booking history in their respective modules. This is the flow. Let's look at the website now. This is the home page of carpooling system. First of all, users have to register by giving their name, email, giving their email, phone, gender, type of user. They have to select either seeker or provider, and they have to mention their password. Registration successful. After registration, provider can log in. This is the home page of provider module. As we see, users can see their profile. It will display their name, email ID and phone number. Provider have to add their vehicle, so they have to give the vehicle name, vehicle type, vehicle number and vehicle capacity. Providers can view their vehicles when they click on view vehicles button. Providers have to schedule the rides. They have to select the vehicle, select the source and destination, ride starting date and time, ending date and time, available seats, the price per seat, total distance of the ride, and the description about ride. Ride added. When they click on view scheduled rides, provider can see the ride scheduled. So now let's see. Seekers have to log in as a seeker, so they have to give their name, email, phone number, gender, user type, register. After a successful registration, seekers can log in. Now they can see their profile. Seekers can find rights by clicking on Find Rights. They can see multiple source and destinations. They can choose from it. This is the ride schedule. They can view the vehicle details as well. If seekers want to book the ride, they have to select number of seats. They will have to select pickup location as well. They have to mention passenger's name as well. This is the booking summary. Number of seats they booked, total amount they paid, and the passenger name. So customers have to pay the amount by using their card. They have to enter card number, card holder name, expiry date, and CVV. Book, ride booked. So these booked rides will be visible in current rides page. This is the ride, who are the driver or provider, the passenger name, who booked the ride, and everything will be here along with pickup location, starting and ending things. So if user want to cancel the ride, they can cancel it by clicking on cancel ride. It will disappear. If they want to book, they can book again. Seekers will have to select source and destination. They can find rides. They can book, select pickup location, passenger name, and confirm. This is the booking summary. They have to pay by giving the card number, card holder name, expiry date, CVV, current rides. So this ride will be visible to the rider who is providing hail. Provider can view by clicking on current rides, so he can pick up after ride completed. Provider can change the status as ride completed. These rides will be visible in ride history page. All cancelled and completed rides will be visible here. This is all about carpooling. Hope you understand. Thank you.